Hey you guys, welcome back to my channel. So today's video I'm going to show you how to get this really cute mohawk bun with the bang style. So we will be parting our hair out. We're going to start from ear to ear because I will be doing only 2 buns. I think next time I'll try 3 because I have a pretty big head, but today we're going to do 2 like you saw in the intro. So we're just going to do ear from ear, and then we'll be parting our bang section out in the front after we do this. So now that we're all parted, we're going to use our spritz and our beeswax to mold down the ponytails, and we want to avoid, at least I want to avoid using water-based gels like eco style gel or just anything that's like really water-based, because my hair will revert back and my hair is really thick already and coarse, so I don't want to use that. So I'll just put a little bit of the melted beeswax on my hair, and I'll melt it with the blow dryer just a little bit to soften it so it can smooth out, and then I'll go over it with the spritz, and then I'll brush it into the ponytail and then blow dry it. And then once I get it all molded, then I'm gonna put the hair tie in. And yeah, it's really that simple. So what we do to this one, we will do to the top. But before we do the top ponytail, I'm just gonna brush out my edges real quick, and then we'll start the same process with putting the wax on. I didn't really melt that one with the blow dryer, so you can see that I had to just really work it in. And then we'll go in with the spritz, and then we'll brush it and then blow dry it, and we'll just continue to do that until it molds and holds into its shape. You can use different hairsprays. I only have this spritz on hand, so that's why I'm using that one, but you can use the even hairspray if you want. Just whatever works for you. There's no really right or wrong way to do it. You just want to make sure that you're molding it, so you'll need the hairspray for sure in a blow dryer so it can hold. And then after that, we're just gonna put that one in its ponytail, and I didn't want this one too high, so I did it a little low so it can meet the second bun. And now for the tracks, I'm going to just take it and wrap it around my ponytail. I didn't want to glue the tracks on my ponytail because I wasn't sure how long I wanted to keep this in, and I don't know, I just didn't want to deal with glue for real. So I just wrapped it and then wrapped it into a bun like that, and I took another hair tie and I put it over it. And yeah, so I really don't think you need to glue your tracks onto your ponytail. You can if you want to, but I mean, it's gonna be in a bun anyway, so it's not like it's going to slip out because the hair tie will be holding it. So yeah, so we're just gonna do that. And honestly, I had to play around with the buns. I took it down and put it back together. I did that about 5 to 10 times until I got the bun size that I like. So it's just trial and error, but you want to keep the little tails out when you get the bun you like, because we're going to curl them back like this and then comb them out to kind of fluff it out to get that feathered look. And yeah, so that's how you do it. You can see my lower bun looks different than it did the first time because I wanted to do it a little smaller because the first time I did it was too big. But yeah, so you take your flat iron and you just curl it back, play around with it. You'll have to fluff it. You may have to bobby pin some pieces so it can stay where you want it to stay and all of that. That's what I had to do. I had to bobby pin one of them in the back so the hair can stay in that section, and then continue styling it. I decided to do my little kitchen area and stuff. So now we're gonna move on to our bang. Now the front of my hair is really damaged. I have breakage and stuff in the front, and I did previously cut bangs in my hair too, so that's why it's really short on top of the breakage. But yeah, anyways, we're gonna straighten out our bang area because we want this part to be flat as possible. And then yeah, so now I'm gonna start sectioning out my bang, because I will be gluing tracks onto my bang area. So once you do it, you put the glue on the track, and then you blow dry the track a little bit so it can get tacky. Then you put it on, and then you blow dry it again, and then you just repeat. So I only put 4 pieces on my bang. Don't be scared to do this. It really won't damage your hair that much. I mean, I feel like every hairstyle there's risk of damage, especially if you're doing it yourself. But don't be scared to do this. Like, you're not gonna end up bald-headed. Now, if you have fine hair, fine textured hair, I'm not sure. You probably shouldn't listen to me. But if you have thick, coarse hair like mine, don't be scared to glue them tracks in. The glue will come out, and your hair will not come out with the glue. So yeah, don't be scared to do it. But yeah, so this is how I get that bang look. So after I do all of that, I think I'm gonna add one more track. But I was just looking to see how it looked. So I'm gonna add one more track. And now I'm going to cut it. So I'm cutting at a diagonal. I didn't want it to just be one length, so to say. So I kind of like am framing it to my face because I wanted it to lay a certain way. But I still have that blunt cut look. And then I'll go in with my flat iron and straighten it and bump the ends. And yeah, that's pretty much it. I'll style my edges after this. And then I'll come back and show you guys the final look. But this is a really cute hairstyle. This hairstyle, I got so many compliments on. I think this is like my most complimented hairstyle. I'm not gonna lie, I got a lot of compliments on this hairstyle. It's really cute and simple, and it's really, really pretty and trendy and stylish and stuff like that. So yeah, I hope you guys try it. I hope the video helped you out a little. And yeah, look at that, just so cute and simple. So thank you guys so much for watching. I hope you enjoyed it, and I will catch you guys in my next video. Bye guys.